everyone. Welcome to Qa1. I'm Melissa Scholes, President and CEO, and I'm going to be showing you around our shop today. We're really excited to show you where we make all of our shock absorbers, suspension components, composite drive shafts, as well as do all of our research and development, and you can see exactly how quality is built into each one of our processes. In the Development Center, we have all different types of equipment that help us to prototype effectively. Our Development Center is where our team can really have some fun. We bring in vehicles all the time, test fit our products. We also test fit products to see how they work with complementary aftermarket products. We really focus on the precise equipment that we have to make sure that all of the testing is done appropriately. Our TUV dyno is perfect for testing performance and durability of a variety of different products. We have a ferro arm that we use to scan the vehicles to make sure that the fitment is just right. And then we seek real-world validation, collaborating with our third-party test partners. Combining our in-house testing with this validation is crucial in a successful product development process. From development, our manufacturing engineers work closely with the people on the production floor to create the most efficient processes possible. And where we're standing right now is our CNC department. Here we have complete lights-out manufacturing capabilities, several multi-axis machines, as well as a variety of mills and lathes. We're constantly investing in new equipment, and we planned our facility for that specific reason. When we moved into our new facility, we planned for each department to have its own specific area, and we knew where we were going to be adding equipment over the years. And in the last year, we've already added several pieces of new equipment. From CNC, our components are brought into our shock assembly area, where they're turned into our finished product. We are known for having the highest quality products as we dyno test every single Qa1 shock that comes off the line. That way we're able to ensure that the internals are working exactly as designed before we move into packaging. Another area where we've built quality into the process is packaging. We don't want you missing components when you go to install your shock. So we make sure that that is keyed in to the ounce to make sure that every component is packaged with your shock before it goes out the door. A unique thing about Qa1 is we manufacture our shock absorbers and all of our suspension components in-house. By having the diverse set of manufacturing capabilities, we're really able to cater to our customers' needs, whether that be with a single component or to a complete system designed to your specifications. We do this through a mix of automated and manual processes. For example, our robotic welder is perfect for those repeatable, high-volume products. But our manual welders are perfect for those products that really need that human touch. Our team at Qa1 takes pride in the products that they produce on a regular basis. Our welders are exceptional at what they do and really contribute to the look and feel of that finished product. What they do is truly art, and we're proud to put the Qa1 name on it. Our Advanced Materials division really shows how we are constantly expanding our capabilities, and we're striving to innovate in all the things that we do. Some of the products that we create from this division are our carbon fiber drive shafts. With the ability to wind using a variety of materials and different resins, we're able to produce tubular components for high performance applications, as well as a variety of commercial applications. While our capabilities and processes enable us to make the products that you've grown to love, it's really our team that sets us apart. To learn more about Qa1 and our products, visit us at qa1.net. Our team is ready to help you create your next big thing.